That's awesome.
You dare me to bite it? I'd totally bite it.
Ew.
Oh my goodness.
She just put her teeth on it.
Got a lot of videos, so this makes it so you do more. What is up, everybody? Scatterbrain Dad here. Check it out, Rachel. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna get Rachel here. We're gonna try our hardest to get her to start a little YouTube channel because she likes to hike, right? Now this trail we're going on, it's a secret. We can't tell you where it's at, but we're gonna take you with us in this video, and we're just gonna see what happens. Make a quick little video. Maybe people will watch it, maybe you won't, but we're gonna try to get her to start something so you know. You can see her adventures on all these little hikes that she goes on. They're pretty cool, but stay tuned. Can't show you how to get there or anything like that, but maybe we'll show you the hiking trail. Yeah. What's up, buddy? What is up? We are somewhere.
Did you see a car?
At a location unknown. Took us about 3 hours to get here. But we brought the Jeep, and now we're gonna go hike up there somewhere. But yeah, we'll be on our way. We got our crew here: Rachel, Brookie, Brianna, Weston, Val, and Brielle. As you can tell, I don't know if you could see, but I'm the only guy here.
No, Jagger's here.
Besides Jagger. He's the only other boy here. This is my life. Welcome. Welcome to the life of girl dad and tons of women, I guess, surrounding. But here we go. Gotta hike up this trail here. There's Jagger. He's doing this. Hey, what are you doing? Jagger, what are you doing there? He didn't even wipe. That stinks.
Oh my God.
that really stinks, but did you see that? He's kind and went in the bush. Not on the trail. In the bush. But check this out. We're already tired. We've walked about 50 feet, but it was kind of steep.
Yeah.
It was kind of steep, but
No way I would ever take
if you check out that view, I'll zoom in here on the computer, but look at that rock face. That's pretty cool. And the colors. It's early morning. It's like 5 o'clock. Just kidding, I don't know. It's like 9 something.
I'm willing to get up that early to go hiking.
But we're gonna get in shape. We're gonna start hiking a little bit more. What did I tell? I told Matt with Mob Street the other day that we're gonna be some fit 40-year-olds when we turn that age. So
only got 1 more year, Dad.
yep, 2 more years.
1 more.
Just kidding. All right, here we go. Hey, where'd you get that jacket?
I have no clue.
I thought you didn't bring one.
Mom got it for you.
Oh, look at those colors. Wow. That is That is a beautiful view. See, I wasn't very happy that Rachel decided we needed to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and do this hike. But I'm glad we're here, right? And she was so late that it is now, we got up at 5 and she didn't even show up till 9:30. 9:30. Rachel, say hi.
You got up at 5.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, yes! Coming soon. Rachel's Adventures. I'm just kidding. Everybody, go down in the I mean, like 5 people are gonna watch this, but just go comment down below and say, you can do it.
You're gonna talk to yourself this whole time.
Yes. Yes, I am. But first, see, look, I've only went like, we didn't even go that far. Look how different the view looks from like 5 seconds ago. So Val's over there talking to Matt. Today's his birthday. So here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I gotta catch my breath here. It's been a rough go. Happy birthday, dear Mob Street. Happy birthday to
Put the camera towards
you.
them.
What?
They're playing with cow poo.
Mine's pokey. Yeah.
They like to play in poop. They're weird. Weird kids. I don't understand. They're not mine. Well, one of them is.
One with a flat turd.
But Weston, she's not mine.
That's awesome.
You dare me to bite it? I'd totally bite it.
Ew.
Oh my goodness.
She just put her teeth on it.
Gross. Jagger eats dog poop.
So does Jersey.
Smells like hay.
That was pretty great. Oh look, there's even bigger ones. And a lot of them.
That one's fresh.
Ew. Jagger better not chase any cows.
Look at those views. That's awesome. I like it. I wonder if there's any critters
Yes.
up here.
Yeah.
I don't have any binoculars, but there'll probably be some pictures. There's Rachel taking a picture of that beautifulness.
Where'd I throw my little one?
Hey, what's up?
You should do this one.
So if you can see, we have the town of right there and the other town of right there. If you can see where we're at.
Adios!
But look, this one has a That's antelope, bitter mushroom.
Update.
Not far.
Everybody is regretting this decision.
Yeah.
However, what are we all gonna do?
Complain.
Keep wondering if we're on the right track.
Complain.
Well, I need to work with them a little bit more, but we're gonna continue on, work through this hard stuff, hike, whatever, a little farther. We parked a little farther back than probably most people do, but you know, we're gonna continue on. Let's put a little motivation music behind this. We're gonna continue on. We're gonna step by step by step get closer to our goal. And then when we reach our goal,
We'll complain.
I'm gonna have everybody leave. I'm gonna go skinny dipping in the cold water. Just kidding. I'm not up for that. Give me some warm water. We're good. It's too cold. But we're gonna persevere on. Oh look, our 4-wheeler trail diminished into this. I think we're close.
Oh yeah, you could not make the Jeep in that thing.
Oh shoot, I gotta edit that out. I think I have the background in there. Damn it. So, here we go. Moving forward, moving on with our goals. We are not going to let a little hill stop us, but I hear water. I hear water down there. Is anybody else? Yeah, listen.
Which way are we going in Forks?
I do.
That way's sketchy. If you slip,
You would die.
you're going after the cliff.
I do. I hear water down there.
Oh, look, Jagger.
We're
Brianna,
close.
come here. Brianna, come
We're close to our destination. It's so secretive. We're trying to find it.
This was easy. This ain't easy. Let me turn my shoe real quick. It's really bad, actually. Stop, because we have to tie our shoe.
All right. Out of breath and all. I hear a waterfall. Right there. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but you good? Okay. Just small steps.
I hear it.
But I think we took the right trail. I think everyone just goes to the other side and takes pictures back this way from it.
This way was easy.
What it was? Kid friendly? Kid friendly.
I didn't even have to do it.
Kid friendly. And my glasses are fogging up because I'm sweating. But it's cold. Check it. Come here.
Can we like
Here.
have a good view of it though?
All right, so here's a little section of this waterfall. But I'm gonna go up here just a quick second and see what's up here. Oh wow. Wait for it. Wait for it. So up here, hey, it's really cool up here. They can't hear me, but check this out. You guys ready for this? I think this is what they call views on views. Woo! Unless I'm not a view, I guess. I don't know. But views on views. This is freaking awesome. Oh boy. That is some slippery stuff up here. Can you hear me? It's really loud. Well, I think we found it. The secret waterfall. I ain't gonna tell you where it is, but if you want, maybe I can take you up here. I don't know. Or maybe Rachel can do her own video, show you. I don't know. Anyways, this is cool. We thought we were in the wrong spot. I don't know if you can hear me, but we thought we were in the wrong spot, and I almost just fell. But we found it. It was a good hike. We almost turned around. Yeah, the directions. Like I said, man, secret waterfall. I don't know how many people know about this, but that is cool. I almost want to say I want to come up here in the spring, because I'm pretty sure there's a lot that comes down over the sides here, and it's freaking cold. Huh, Jagger? It's cold. This is my dog Jagger. Anyways, he's a stag hound. He's a real pretty dog if you look at his eyes. All right, hopefully you can hear me. That's our journey. We've got the dog Jagger, the littlest Brielle, the next one Brookie, then we got Weston, Brianna, Rachel, and Val.
Jagger.
And we went and hiked the secret waterfall. I mean, I don't know how secret it is, but guarantee if you try to search it on Google or the maps, you won't find it. I couldn't find it. Yeah, but that's the joy of it. Get out, hike some canyons, find some places to hike. We found several little cool waterfalls just by hiking around. Now, I need to go back and revisit those, but that's the video for today. Here's our views. The great waterfall. It's cool. It's cold. We're gonna go home, and then we're gonna go up another canyon, spend some family time. Maybe even eat some pizza. I think some pizza's on the menu. But peace out. Follow along. Subscribe. Like the video. Share it with your friend. Yeah. Peace out. Until the next adventure or whatever. I don't know. Adios.